Hello appraisers, this is Brandon with Spark for Appraisers, and in this Synapse Spotlight video we're going to be covering a new feature we just added, which is called Add Your Own Method. Now this is where you basically can just click anywhere where it says Add Your Own Method. You'll see it in every feature card, and that allows you to add your own method that you performed for a particular feature that you're trying to get an adjustment for. So in this case, let's just say we performed the survey method in order to try and help us determine what the real adjustment should be for a swimming pool. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to click Add Your Own Method, and it says, for example, survey, but it could be your own paired sales, group data, it could be anything, whatever method you want. I'm just going to use survey, and let's say from my survey I determined that the adjustment amount would be $20,000. And then here I can type up a bunch of stuff. In fact, I'm just going to copy and paste something I already pre-wrote. Now, obviously, these three letters represent the names of realtors, which I just removed. But basically, and this isn't a real example, but let's say I interviewed 6 realtors that worked in this particular area, these particular types of properties. This is what they told me. And that's the result, is $20,000. So I have my notes. This goes into my work file. It also is visible on the screen to me as well, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. I clicked done, and so now for swimming pool you can see we have the survey method, and it shows us $20,000, and when I hover over the dot it does show me the notes that I wrote that also go into my digital work file. Now of course I can edit this, so I can click the gear icon next to where it says survey, change anything in here that I want to change, and I can also delete it if I'd like to. And that's pretty much it. So now I have the survey method in here. I can go and add my own into other features if I want to. And then I can go and determine, is this going to be $20? Maybe I should call it 18 because I have these other results down here that seem legitimate. But yeah, that's up to me. And I can call it done. And now if I go to look at the comments, then I can see, let me scroll down here. Now you'll notice there's no comments here for these other features because I haven't marked those as done yet. You have to choose a number and mark it as done in order for it to show up. But for swimming pool I have. So you can see down at the bottom here, it says the swimming pool adjustment was developed at $18,000. The results provide an adjustment range from 10.5 to 23.6. Survey, group data, true paired sales, 4 different types of simple regression and sensitivity analysis were the adjustment methods utilized to develop this adjustment. So that information does go into the comments. It also will go into the different documentation in your work file as well. So I just clicked export here to just show you, but it will go into your primary adjustment doc, obviously to your comments, and then it will go into the work file as well in the document we call details. So it goes into all 3 of those documents. You can load them into your report or just keep them for your work file. And that's pretty much it as far as that goes. And then one other thing I just wanted to mention, which I think is kind of cool, is let's say I finish this report, I go and do one in 2 months in the same zip code, and it's a similar property. And by the way, you can determine what is similar right here in the similar settings. So you can go and check that out for yourself. It decides, you can tell it like what quality you want it to be, whether quality must be an exact match or plus or minus half steps, and also how far back to look. But assuming it meets your criteria that you define on what is a similar property, and it's in the same zip code, then Synapse will automatically load in this survey method or whatever it is that you created into that swimming pool adjustment card in the future, or the results card, I should say. So that way you'll have this automatically. You don't have to remember, oh, 2 months ago, what was it again? I did the survey method, and who were the realtors I talked to, and what did they say? It's all just going to be there for you. So anyways, that's it. Hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching.